Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name's Natalie and I do videos on handbag reviews, unboxings, a bit of luxury eye candy. So if you're into any of those, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you back. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys some really pretty eye candy from Ana Luisa. So Ana Luisa are a jewelry company based in New York and they do the most amazing gold plated and also gold jewelry pieces. And you guys know, ever since I got my Cartier Love bracelet, I've been obsessed with yellow gold pieces. So yeah, this video is kindly sponsored by them. This is my very first sponsored video and I'm super excited about it. But of course, this is still my honest opinion. You guys know on my channel, I always share my honest opinion with you guys and I don't sway any other way. Even if it's sponsored or not sponsored or gifted or not gifted, I still provide you with my honest opinion. So as I mentioned, Ana Luisa is a jewelry brand based in New York and they have an online presence. So I'll leave a link to their website down below so you can check them out. Another thing I love about Ana Luisa is that they're carbon neutral and they offset 100% of their carbon emissions, which is amazing to see from a company. You don't see many out there who kind of give back what they take. So a lot of their pieces are made from recyclable materials. So I'll show you them a bit closer up, but they're still really good quality and everything is done, all the plating is done in-house and even down to like the packaging, everything is recyclable. It's just such a good thing to see, especially if you're trying to be more environmentally friendly and more conscious of what you purchase. So I hope you do check out Ana Luisa and support them. I'll leave everything that I mentioned in the description box below, as well as a discount code. So I do have a 10% discount code that you can use on the website. And I'm sure you guys will love all their products. So now I'll share with you guys what I picked out from Ana Luisa. So Ana Luisa did let me choose these 3 products and it was so hard to choose because I love everything on their website. There were at least 20 things that I wanted from their website, but I'm really glad that I got these pieces. So I'm actually wearing them now, but I want to share with you guys how it all came packaged. So it just came in this tiny little box. So as I mentioned, they're all carbon neutral. Everything is like recyclable. And so everything is just came in this little box. So it's just like a little thank you. So nothing too fancy, no bells or whistles, no like big unnecessary packaging. So that's how slim it is. So it just came packaged in like a DHL sleeve and obviously this was just inside. And then all the pieces that I got came in cute little dust bags. So they're super soft. And you guys know how much I love my travel pouches or dust bags. So these 2 are the standard ones that you get with the Ana Luisa collection, whereas the cream color or like the colored ones you'll see that they're actually engraved or like embossed with a name there, and that's when the jewelry piece is in collaboration with someone. So these are unique, whereas these ones just say Ana Luisa on them, and these will have the person that they've collaborated with just on the front there and then Ana Luisa at the bottom. So I think these are so nice, they're so soft. So I'm really glad to have 3 of them that I can use and repurpose. The first piece I'll share with you guys is this one here. So this just says JUSEF on it and it's just like a little pocket with a snap button closure, which I love. So that's super cute. The item that came in this dust bag is this necklace right here. So this is called the JUSEF necklace and it's kind of like a curb chain necklace. I'll do close-up shots of it so you can see it a bit clearer, but it's just so pretty and it's just like so edgy yet dainty. It reminds me of like the Dior, the thick chain necklace with the CD logo there, but this is like a more daintier version of that statement piece because that one is quite chunky and large, so it does make a big statement. But this one, I just love how it looks and it's so easy to just layer with other necklaces too because it does sit quite high and it does have like lengths where you can change it, so you can have it a bit lower. This is, I think, towards the middle range of the setting, so I could have it even higher, more as a choker, but I've just kept it a little bit loose and just sitting there just above my collarbone. So I love the way it looks, just like with a casual t-shirt like this. I think it's so pretty and just so edgy. So I love this and I don't really have anything like this in my collection, so I thought this will be such a good piece to try out. So this is the JUSEF necklace and this is in 14 karat gold plating on brass. That's how they get such an affordable price. It's still a really good quality piece because it is a flat surface, like a flat chain surface. It kind of catches the light. See there, you can kind of see like the reflectiveness of it. And this one at the front, there's like a little engraving that says BU, which is really, really cute. And it's really tiny, like you won't be able to see it unless you're like really close up and looking at it. But I just love that little touch of detail and kind of little message in it. So, and if you didn't want that showing, you could just obviously just turn it around and it's blank on the other side. So I do intend to purchase more things from Ana Luisa. As I mentioned, I wanted at least 20 things from the website. I just love everything about it, and they do so many different necklaces and different lengths, and I think it would just look amazing having like a longer necklace here and maybe like another one a bit lower. I think this stacked with other necklaces would look so pretty. So yeah, this is the very first piece that I got from Ana Luisa. So the second item that I got is this bracelet right here. So this is the ELINA stacking bracelet, and I just love the little detail to it. It's kind of like a twisted rope detail, and it just gives it a little bit of a different texture. So I think stacking it with other bracelets, even with my Cartier Love bracelet, I think those two would stack really nicely together because it is quite thin. It's just so pretty, even by itself too, just because it does have that rope detailing to it. And with this piece, it's got a tiny little cubic zirconia stone just on that edge there, so where the clasp is, and clip it on. It says Ana Luisa engraved on one side, and then on the other side it's got the little stone in the middle, which I think is so cute and so dainty. And you can just wear it like this if you wanted to, with that bar there with the cubic zirconia stone. So this is also gold plating on brass, and this is actually, the gold on it is slightly different to my Cartier Love bracelet. Obviously this is 18 karat yellow gold, this is solid gold and 18 karat, so it's going to have that more yellowy tone to it, whereas this is more of a lighter gold. So this will look pretty with like a silver bracelet too. So you guys know I do have the beaded bracelet from Tiffany & Co, so that stacked with it would look really nice just because it is a lighter gold, so you can pair it with silver pieces and gold pieces, and it just makes a really nice stacking piece. So yeah, this is the second item that I got from Ana Luisa, which is the ELINA bracelet. So then the very last piece and the third piece that I got from Ana Luisa is this beautiful ring right here. I've been wanting this ring for so long. So I'm sure you guys have seen like different variations of this kind of croissant looking ring. So I've seen it around everywhere on Instagram and social media, especially Instagram though, but everyone has this ring. So I'll take it off and show you closer what it looks like, and I'll do close-up shots of it. It's literally just looks like a croissant. It's so cute. So this is called the bold rope ring. I think they have a slimmer one which is called slim or small. I think this is the bold one. So this is what it looks like, and I just love that little swirl detailing. It literally looks like a croissant. And my friend Tiffany, who is also on YouTube, also has this ring. I'll leave her channel down below, but I remember I was messaging her because I saw that she had it too, and I was wondering what size she got, because I tried using the ring size measuring system on the Ana Luisa website, and it came out with that I was size 9, which I thought was a bit odd because that was on the very large end of the ring size spectrum, and I feel like I don't have like too large of fingers. I don't have like the smallest of fingers, but I don't have like the largest fingers, so I thought size 9 was a bit strange, and like maybe I just measured it wrong. And so I was like messaging Tiffany because I knew she had this ring, and I was like, what size did you get? We have like similar looking size fingers. Yeah, I'm like, oh, I feel like we would be like similar in size, like can I ask what size you got? And she was really helpful, and she let me know how it fit and what size she had and what finger she wore it on and what size she is in other brand ring sizes. And we were saying we wish there was just like a universal ring size with all rings, like from every brand. It's just one universal size, so you know what size you are no matter where you shop. So yeah, this is actually a size 7, and this is the same size that Tiffany got too, and this fits perfectly. I'm so glad I did not go the size 9 because that would have been way too loose. This fits perfectly on my middle finger, which is where I often wear it, or sometimes I do like to wear it on my index finger like that, and I think that just looks so cool. So I'm glad I went with the size 7. So thank you so much, Tiffany, for helping me through choosing the right size. But yeah, this is the bold rope ring from Ana Luisa, and I love it. This is also 14 karat gold plated too, and it just has that perfect amount of shine and that yellowness to the gold. So I love that, and I have been wearing this non-stop. Like, even though I'm working from home most days, I still just like putting this on, and it just makes me happy. Like, I don't know, just looking down on my finger and just seeing that there, or like here, this is by far my favorite piece from Ana Luisa, and I would definitely recommend getting this. So if you're going to get one thing from Ana Luisa, I would highly recommend getting this bold rope ring here. It's just such a cool ring, and they do have like matching earrings too, which I'm also eyeing. But yeah, with sizing, as I mentioned, I am normally like a size 52, 54. I'll probably say 54 in Pandora rings. And this is a size 7. And you guys know how fussy I am with rings, but this is so comfortable. Even though it's a bigger statement piece, it's so comfortable to wear. And as I mentioned, I've been wearing this every day. And I am careful not to wear it in the shower or when I wash my hands. I am mindful to take it off just because it is that 14 karat gold plating. And over time, if you do constantly get it wet, it may tarnish a lot quicker. I mean, it hasn't happened yet just because I am quite careful. There have been times where I've forgotten about it and I have washed my hands with it and it's been completely fine. But I mean, to preserve the longevity of it, I would recommend taking it off before you shower or before you go to bed even, like all the jewelry pieces. That's just something to keep in mind with anything that's gold plated, but you are paying a fraction of, like, this costs thousands of dollars, whereas this only costs like less than $100. So that's another thing with Ana Luisa pieces. They start from $39 USD. So that's an amazing price for any jewelry piece, any trendy jewelry piece. And as I mentioned, it's not breaking the bank. You're not spending hundreds and hundreds and investing thousands of dollars in a piece you no longer love or you no longer wear. These pieces stay on trend. And even with like the bracelet and the necklace, they're just very classic, but they're still trendy. So check them out. They often have sales, but if they don't, I do have a 10% discount code. So I'll leave everything that I mentioned in the description box below. But yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video and also sending me these beautiful products to try. I'm definitely going to be purchasing more of their products. So yeah, that's all for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you own any pieces from Ana Luisa or if you're eyeing a certain piece. I'd love to hear it. But until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!